Hi guys, it's Max and Finn from American Aviation Network, and today we got a very special flight. The first time that all four of us, Max, Finn, Asher, and Baloo, are going to be on the same flight together, heading down to Los Angeles tonight. And to make it even more memorable, it's the last Alaska Airlines A321neo flight. This is the first ever A321 that they acquired, 921VA, and take a look at this. We are going to be on it in a couple of hours from now. It should be really exciting. We're talking to a former Virgin America pilot who is going to be on the flight tonight, and he says that many other pilots will be there as well, and there might be a bit of a celebration before and some announcements on the plane. This is the last ever flight of this model kind.
Oh, you were there taking pictures of each other? Yeah.
Last A321 flight, guys. We're in the flight deck right now before the plane takes off.
Okay.
This is amazing. I feel like I'm on Virgin America.
All right.
Asher, here we go. Do you want me to take it with the camera, Asher?
Sure.
It's gonna feel like we're on Virgin America. We got the Neo kid on the block, the A321neo, and new kids on the block. Tons of Ave geeks here, and this is this our bro?
This is... Yeah, Max, you jump in.
I took this flight 2 days ago.
Yeah, you're lucky.
Well, these guys screened the Virgin America.
11:26 to Los Angeles, our last flight on the Airbus. Please make sure all your small bags are under the seat in front of you. We need to make more space. The overhead bins. Flight is a moment in history, as it is the official final flight of the Airbus 321neo for Alaska Airlines. This aircraft joined the flight with the merger with Virgin America. I was beyond blessed to have been a part of the Virgin America family, and was also a member of the 15-person cadre team who went before the FAA to perform difficult tasks under the FAA's watchful eye, scrutinizing our every move. We achieved our goal and became certified to fly this beautiful aircraft. I hope that will be the first and last time I ever have to evacuate a plane
Wait. Guys, I've just gotten notice that we're gonna do a low hover over San Francisco, and they're gonna play the Virgin America safety dance. It's gonna be awesome, guys. And now it's time for meal service. So Baloo got a Sprite, some chips, and I pre-ordered a cheese plate. Comes with some cheese. Glad to say they have brie back on there. There was a national shortage of brie cheese. We got complimentary chocolate, which I kind of already ate some of, for Alaska 100,000 mileage members, and some pretzels, and a Coke. We are set for this very special flight. It's kind of getting darker now. It's going to be awesome. As I said earlier, 360 around San Francisco Bay Area. This is going to be really awesome. Really exciting.
I had Jeffrey bid the so guys, we're about to start our 360 left side. I had to pull up the string around San Francisco because this is the last A320 flight.
21 he meant.
A321 flight.
Oh, and just look out there. It is absolutely stunning. The moon, the San Francisco skyline. I know on the camera here it's gonna look like the sun.
I think we changed
The beautiful city of San Francisco. Sierra Nevada is just in the darkness.
got information from the company that if anything happened today in the operation, so this flight was going to be a little late. If it was
Former Virgin America pilot, captain on the Airbus 320 family, including the 321neo. And just wanted me to share some thoughts that I've had over the years here. So Virgin was a very special place to work, the most special place I've ever worked at. All of the employees had this mantra ingrained into them, and it was elevate people, create wow, and be Virgin. And that's what we truly strive to live by. Virgin was special for the people that we worked with, from the flight attendants, to the pilots, to the gate agents, mechanics, and even the crew schedulers. But I'd be remiss if I wouldn't mention what was truly important to us, and that was our guests and our passengers. We did it all for you. Thank you for the many, many, many happy memories and years together. A few words about the Airbus 321. It was a pilot's dream to fly. It was a beautiful airplane, quiet, spacious, never let me down. You could fill it full of 176 passengers, 43,000 pounds of fuel, coast to coast, hot days, high elevations, never had an issue. So it was a dream to fly, and it'll be truly missed. So in closing, I wanted to say thank you to everyone for all the happy years and memories. It was truly special, and we did it all for you. Thank you.
Well, folks, welcome aboard. We'll be underway in just a couple of minutes. For those of you that don't know what the heck is going on right now, this is an Airbus A321. It was the first one delivered to Virgin America. We were the launch customer in the United States for it. We're very proud of this airplane, but this is its last flight. We're going back to the Alaska motto of an all Boeing fleet, and it's the future. So we're going to say goodbye to this airplane tonight, and welcome to the party.
Go Virgin! It's the last one to the airport.
Oh yeah, I saw it. Oh,
Guys, a 10-second countdown till the A321 touches down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
In our hearts forever. Good night, Redwood.